Hey, thanks for hanging with me in the Taylor Kitchen today. Today I'm going to show you a super simple sandwich that my mom talked about from her childhood when her Aunt Mary, my great Aunt Mary, would take her to Wolf Dessaurer's in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and she would get this lovely tea sandwich that was cashew butter and bacon. So if you can imagine a beautiful tea sandwich like that, and it left an impression on her as a young girl, and we're gonna make that today. She actually made this for me when I was home last, and it is really quite delicious. And I have some cashew butter here, and I'm not gonna use fancy tea bread because we're not gonna cut this into little cutesy shapes. You could do that if you wanted to. Make sure you cut off the crust if you're gonna do that, as every tea sandwich, a proper tea sandwich would do. But I just spread on some cashew butter. This is gonna be so simple, you're not gonna believe it. And then put on a little bit of a lettuce. This is kind of like an upscale BLT. The lettuce goes on. And then on top of that is your bacon. So far, so easy, right? That's all there is to this, and it is so delicious. And then my touch to this is just to put on some chili crisp, because why not? So that's gonna give it just that little bit extra, a little crunch, a little spicy sweet that we all love so much. And man, cashew butter and this bacon and everything is so good together. So that's it. It's a cashew butter and bacon sandwich. Trying to think what else to say about this. Cashew butter and bacon sandwich. And although Wolf Dessaurer, let's see, they opened in 1846 or something like that, they've been gone since 1969. So although they are no longer with us, the legendary cashew butter bacon sandwich lives on. Cheers. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. Check out that super easy recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com. I have my favorite taste tester. He is the official CTO of TaylorKitchen, Chief Tasting Officer. He takes his job very seriously, and it's a hard job, but somebody's got to do it. Mr. Taylor does it very, very well.
I'll make the sacrifice.
So this is the cashew butter bacon sandwich that my mom always talked about. We actually had it when we went home to visit. Okay. This is my version. So I'm using sourdough bread, and I've got to top it off with a little bit of chili crisp, just because I think it adds some additional interest to this. So, my love, there you go.
All right. Give this a shot.
I know, I made it nice and runny for you. Oh, you're losing the bacon. I can hear that crunchy, crunchy bread. I love sourdough.
I like it.
It's pretty good. It's very delicious. So yeah, check out the easy recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com.
Very good.
Thanks, babe. Oh.